This is a monthly reading for you Pisces for the month of August. In this reading I'm going to do is Reiki distance healing to balance the chakras for you. After I see how's the guidance and wherever the energy needs to be balanced. You should know that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate as it is with all Pisces, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So what is the area of improvement or focus for you? What is the strength you can work with? Strength or challenges you can work with? How will be your social interactions or dealings with people? What is it that is unexpected and coming your way? And how's overall the month of August looking? Now, now please also note that I have created my very first edition of the newsletter where I talk about all my tarot work. I talk about a certain tarot journey. There are a lot of details you can find in my newsletter. It's made with a lot of love, with a lot of effort, and great detail. It's just taken me days and days to create it, and I really wanted to roll out a newsletter, and I have been able to do it now in August. I intend to roll out a edition every month, so you can download this month's edition from the description box. Go to the description box, click on the link newsletter, and then it will take you to the download file, and then you can download the file. If you would like, or you want to share it with your social contacts, friends or acquaintances, you totally should, or your family members. And if you would like to upload it or send the link to a social handle, then also you should do it. I totally look forward to a great circulation and lot of people coming to my channel. So do enjoy the newsletter. It's very well made, and I share a lot of insights. Now, what is the area of improvement or focus for you? One, this guidance is telling me that you wanted to get to some place work wise, and even in love you were headed somewhere, but right now there is a halt, or there is a stoppage, there is an interruption. And the reason is you are trying to be very sure if this is the right person for you, if the work that you have taken up will truly yield the kind of outcome that you're looking for, or if it promises the kind of success you were told. So there is a certain thinking through, there is a working with interruption energy that I'm seeing. Some of your plans are delayed in terms of traveling. So if you were traveling maybe, let's say, beginning of August, I see you doing mid of August or bit late of August. So there is a bit of delay in travel as well. Now, what is it in your strength and challenges that you can work with? You have a very deep sense about things, Pisces. There are things you understand, but maybe you can't put it in words. Some of you, before some news comes out, whether it is about good news or some bad news about somebody, you already have an inkling of what that news will be, or you've been seeing it getting created over some time. How you are able to do that is your intuitive energy. It's very high, and some of you play so well with emotions, or you're so deep with emotions, you guess people with the smallest of movement or just smallest of thing that they say or not say. This guidance tells me you could channel your intuitive energy maybe into writing, maybe into putting this sixth sense about things into something more tangible that you can work with. Maybe you could draw, maybe you could just work with gems, whatever it may help you channel this intuition. It's very high. Also, some of you are heavy duty into meditation, so when you feel stuck or you're not sure what to do, seeking the God's way, or embracing spirituality in some way is going to be very, very helpful. So you could look forward to a spiritual discourse, or attending a prayer meet of some sort. It would bring a lot of joy to you. Now also, if you see, the man here is taken a break while the woman is waiting. So in the relationship, I'm seeing one of you, not necessarily just the man, it could be the woman also who's taken a break. So in the relationship, the two of you will feel, one will feel that you want to slow down and think about things. The other person is saying, why has this person not reached me? Why is this person not making the proposal to me, my loved one? So there is going to be energy of patience and the other person taking time. How will be your social interactions or dealings with people? Socially, you show a lot of patience. You're not somebody who's hasty, who's trying to filter friends out. You're not saying, okay, he's my friend, she's my friend, he's not my friend, she's not my friend. You're not doing any of that. You're very patient with people, almost to the point that you take on weird people also on board as friends. People who have no wavelength, you don't find much connect with, also will come on board and are your friends. So you're very, very patient, because you feel to grow and be successful in life, you should have a lot of social contacts and handles. You're very, very, your understanding about life is very sound, and you believe that you should be surrounded with people to succeed in life, which is very correct. And you seem to be, that is why we very, very patient with people, and you don't piss anybody off, you don't turn anybody away. Now what is it that is unexpected and coming your way? You're this great energy of love, peace that is coming your way, and I'm seeing this lot of success coming up. So some of you who don't know how to go about things, or if you're feeling stuck or interrupted, there is definitely a help coming your way, and then there is a lot of success also coming along with this help. So somebody very nice, good at heart, and who's very understanding will show up. This person could be from the workplace, it could be your spouse or girlfriend or boyfriend's father. I'm just seeing the energy of someone very, very warm and nice, trying to help you. You see here, your cup has fallen. The person here is balancing the two cups, which means he's just making the two hearts connect. And here is the woman waiting, and she wears a white gown, and here is a man with the white gown and two wings. He's probably related to her as a father figure, or as a great uncle, or maybe even a grandfather. So somebody from your loved one's family is going to bring in truth to the two of you. It's a very beautiful energy, and I see a lot of success then coming along. So whatever difficulty some of you may have in your love life, looks like is getting addressed. Also work wise, some of you may feel that your boss's partner or colleague is helping you out, or counterpart is helping you out with a lot of your problems at workplace. Very beautiful, guiding, helpful energy, where you're very heavily supported. The other person is trying to understand you and trying to make you a big success. Now how's overall the month of August? It's a very beautiful month, one. And then I'm seeing is your efforts are paying off financially, and there is a promotion in the cards. It's not always a money promotion, it's not always a job promotion. It could be just that you may figure something out as a side hustle also, or just as a professional, and you may create a stream of income for yourself. So I am seeing there is a certain financial success or a promotion for you. Very beautiful cards, and actually there's no, I don't need to really balance any chakra, because all the energies are all very balanced. But I'm going to charge your solar plexus just to boost and create a better and more strong aura and energy for you with Reiki distance healing. So we have 7 chakras in the body, and I'm going to charge the solar plexus with Reiki distance healing.